In today's Mobility Everyday video, we will be doing a spine mobility prep movement, basically focusing a lot on deep rotational moves here to prepare the body for more spinal mobility moves later on. So if you're a beginner to spine mobility or you just want an easy routine to do today, this video is perfect for you. Have your hands just right under the rib cage. Keep your pelvis square facing front and just move your thoracic spine or the upper part of your torso gently from one side to another. So as you rotate, make sure your head, neck, shoulders follow along. The entire thoracic spine and rib cage move to the range that you're comfortable with, not too much, because we still want to keep the pelvis fairly square here. Do this movement slowly, deliberately, so that you feel the movement of your upper body as much as possible. Now we're going to release the arms, and you find that with your arms hanging down, you're actually getting more range of motion. Keep your spine as straight as possible. And as you stop at the side here, arch your spine a little bit by looking slightly up. Also note that at this point, my pelvis is slowly moving along following the torso. Repeating the same movement, let your arms hang by the side, moving the torso along. We are moving a little bit more rhythmatically now, adding a little bit more pace here, making the rotational movement more fluid, keeping the knees soft. You don't have to bend it, but you don't have to keep your legs absolutely straight either. Have your legs wider than hip width apart. And now bend your knees. Allow your entire spine and your pelvis and even your leg to turn and rotate accordingly. Let your arms hang and relax. As you rotate to one side, you will notice that the leg of the same side will straighten a little bit. Let it happen. Of course, you don't need to straighten it all the way. It's not supposed to. But we are meant to follow the body mechanics here to move naturally. So I'm showing you the movement by the side. You're going to keep the knees soft and rotate your torso and your pelvis like we did just now. And now slowly start to roll your spine down, starting with the head, the neck, the shoulders, as you continue to rotate your entire torso. Let your arms hang. And let your body slowly roll down as you rotate. These will really release the upper back tension or tightness, which is essential to ensure that we have a more fluid spine in time to come. Again, slowly rotate your torso, curl down from your head, neck, shoulders, curling your spine like you're melting the spine slowly bit by bit. Let your arms hang, keep your knees soft, and just keep going to the point where you're comfortable with. If you can touch the floor, that's great, but if not, it's okay. Let your arms hang. Also feel like your spine is hanging. And then slowly curl up. If you are following me to do this movement, make sure you continue to follow, because although it may look boring, but there is a lot happening to your spine here. Just go with it. Try not to lean back on the heel of your feet because we want to have the weight right in the middle of the feet as much as possible. This way we won't be doing it from the lower back. You might find that you are actually rotating more gently, more swiftly here with the spine hanging better. That means your body is letting go of more tension. Slowly roll down again. Be patient, keep going with it. To have spinal mobility, it's very important that we go through every nooks and crannies of the small joints in our spinal column, as well as our shoulders and actually our arms as well. Let yourself hang. Gradually, when you reach lower, start to zigzag your shoulder blades here. You are getting deeper into your shoulder joints, curling up slowly, and standing up straight here. Of course, we are going to continue. Slowly curl down. Start with small zigzagging of your shoulder blades in a curl position as your spine is rotating, as your arms are hanging down and you try to reach lower. Enjoy this release. Gradually, without even realizing, you might find that your spine, your arms and your shoulders are already looser. Keep hanging and keep repeating this three-dimensional movement. Spinal mobility happens when we release tightness. So go through with it. And here, accentuate the zigzagging. When you zigzag to one side, hold a little bit more for a couple of seconds before you transition to the other side. Go deeper into the shoulder blades. Release all the tight knots that are holding it back against the back ribs. That feels really nice. And we're going to start melting the spine now. Interlace your fingers, palms face in, bend your knees, have your legs wider than hip width apart, and slowly curl down and bring your arms up to face the sky. Go as slow as you can, but if you feel like you need more time to get there, and you can go to the level that you're comfortable with. I want to talk about coming up, okay? So first, scoop your belly in, arms up, curl down, bend your knees, bend from your hip joints. Let everything melt down. To come up, bring the arms down first. Slowly bring your pelvis to the front. Naturally, it will bring the spine up and you'll be standing upright. This is all about body mechanics. We want the spine to be extremely relaxed. The parts that will do the job the most is actually our legs and our pelvis, so that there's no stress at all on our spine. As you curl down, make sure your legs are super strong and your core is engaged. Then bend from your hips, melt down. As you come up, push your legs down to the ground, bring your pelvis to the front, and your spine will naturally uncoil to come up. And once you get the hang of it, maybe you can do it a little bit more rhythmatically. Curling down with your arms up, slowly, and then bending your hips to slowly let your pelvis come to the front and bring your spine up. And then let your arms hang down, open the chest. As your chest faces the sky, have your pelvis pushed to the front. You're not hinging from the lower back. Your pelvis is being pushed to the front, so you're in a hip extended position. Try it again. It may take a few times for you to get the hang of it. It's all good. And I feel this is enough for today's video. It is short, but certainly a good prep for us for any spine mobility works moving forward. If you like this content, do help me to grow the channel. I'll appreciate that very much. Like, share, subscribe, and share it with anyone who is interested and like to or need to improve their spine mobility. With that said, keep moving, keep getting better. Our body loves it when we move. We're born to move. And I'll see you again very soon in the next video. Take care and have a lovely day. Movement has been my form of self-care for over 20 years. And I want to show you how you too can move and take better care of yourself every day.